Okay, in this system, for example, if you are starting with the mouth, so mouth helps in physical digestion of the food, and there is salivary amylase that breaks down large starch molecules into smaller maltose molecules, and then this bolus sticky food chunk then goes through the esophagus into the tongue, and tongue also helps in physical digestion of the food. So esophagus, also called gullet, is a narrow tube with strong muscles and in its walls. This esophagus can contract and relax during chewing process, and it actually is wave-like in structure. It is actually involuntary. It has involuntary wave-like muscular contractions, and this vibration or muscular contraction and then relaxation during digestion or during engulfing of the food particle is called peristalsis. So through peristalsis, the bolus that we chewed passes through the esophagus, and then it pushes, esophagus pushes through peristalsis, that is contraction and relaxation of the this esophagus tube, into the stomach. Here no digestive enzymes are present, however in mouth salivary amylase was present. Now moving on to stomach. The stomach is actually the main point where actual digestion happens through the help of pancreas and through the help of liver and gallbladder, because these three other organs help in releasing enzymes which helps in digestion of fats, of proteins, and of carbohydrates. So actual digestion of these three components happen in stomach. So stomach secretes a liquid called gastric juice, which is made up of hydrochloric acid. That's why we also say that mostly the acidic portion of the stomach has this acidic nature, because it produces hydrochloric acid, and this has a digestive enzyme called proteases, plus it has water. So proteases is the enzyme present in the stomach that breaks down long chains of protein molecules into smaller protein chains, and those smaller protein chains are called amino acids. And then this hydrochloric acid, the pH is acidic in nature, also activates this protease enzyme and make it and move it into the operating mode and pushes it into the operating mode. Plus this HCl also kills bacteria present in our food or while we are swallowing the food. So muscular contractions again happen in stomach, and its wall, peristalsis, happens, that turns the food, that rotates the food, it kind of revolves the food into the stomach so that it mixes with the gastric juice, and then it is acted upon by the enzyme. From stomach, this semi-liquid mass now is called chyme, moves into the small intestine.